Welcome. We're going to take a closer look at what defines the Singapore Math approach. There are many ways we could discuss this, but we'll focus on three core ideas: visualization, sequence, and multiple pathways. Singapore Math uses the concrete, pictorial, abstract progression to create a visual understanding of math that goes well beyond just doing math, but truly understanding why math works the way it does. Students begin their path by starting with tangible, hands-on objects to build models of a mathematical idea or concept. Then they move to pictures or visuals representing the same idea. The final stage of understanding is when students connect the concrete and pictorial, or visual understanding, to the abstract, using symbols and numbers to represent that same idea. This progression helps students build a clear and lasting understanding of mathematical concepts. Number bonds are a tool students use to strengthen their number sense. Number bonds show the relationship between a whole number and its parts. They help students see that numbers can be broken apart and put back together in different ways. Working with number bonds builds a strong foundation for understanding the relationship between addition and subtraction, and for understanding the properties of the four operations. Bar models are one of the most powerful visualization tools for problem solving. They provide a pictorial stage for understanding the problem, making it easier for students to bridge into abstract reasoning. When faced with a word problem, students draw bar models to represent the situation, which helps them to see the problem and determine what needs to be done to solve it. Singapore Math is a mastery program that also spirals. This is known as a vertical spiral. Each year, students return to the same topics, but with a little more depth and complexity each time. The intentional organization of topics supports the development of mastery. Topics are put together in a logical, thoughtful way that focuses on non-negotiables or critical skills. Students are provided ample opportunities to practice a skill to mastery before moving forward and applying that skill at a higher level. This is a big reason why Singapore students continue to rank at the top in international math assessments. This approach is built on the idea that students develop true mathematical understanding when they engage in problems that are slightly varied, when concepts are presented in multiple representations. Each problem connects to the previous one, but requires students to adjust their thinking, strengthening their flexibility. Students are encouraged to communicate their reasoning, explore multiple methods, and make connections between strategies. Because they are continually exposed to problems that they haven't seen before, not just routine exercises, they develop the capacity to apply knowledge in unfamiliar contexts. Fluency requires a combination of accuracy, efficiency, and flexibility. Mental math provides that flexibility. The goal is to cultivate adaptable problem solvers who can enter into a problem from different angles and explain their reasoning. So when you think about Singapore Math, think of these three key ideas: visualization, sequence, and multiple pathways. Together, they make math more meaningful. With these methods, students are not just learning how to get the right answer, they are learning how to think mathematically. To learn more, visit singaporemath.com. Happy learning!